Hi, I'm Sammy with AIA Beauty Bundle, and I am so excited to show you this month's bundle with Herbivore. So first up, we have the Coco Rose Exfoliating Body Scrub. This is a highly moisturizing blend of virgin coconut oil and delicately floral Moroccan rose. I love how this leaves my skin feeling so soft and hydrated with a light scent of coconut and rose petals. You just massage a handful of this onto your body, let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes, and rinse off. So next up, you're getting the Pink Cloud Jelly Cleanser. This is gentle but super effective. It's low foaming and non-stripping. It gently removes all of your makeup and it leaves your skin feeling super clean. It's formulated without sulfates and synthetics, so you can feel good about using this product. All you have to do is apply 1 to 2 pumps directly onto dry skin and rinse thoroughly with water until everything is clean. You'll also be getting the Blue Tansy Clarity Mask. This is a truly natural mask that gently clarifies the skin. It has BHAs from white willow bark, fruit enzymes along with aloe, and Blue Tansy essential oil to soothe the appearance of redness and irritation. So if you have enlarged pores or blemish-prone skin, this product's for you. All you have to do is stir the product and apply a thin layer to clean skin. Make sure to avoid the eye area. So leave on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse with warm water. But if you do have sensitive skin, just leave on for 5 minutes, then rinse off. So after your mask, you're gonna use the Bakuchiol Retinol Serum. This is a game changer. So this is actually a naturally derived retinol alternative. This helps smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while sealing in hydration. So if you have fine lines, dullness, wrinkles, texture, this product is for you. And the best part, it's gentle enough for the most sensitive skin types. Just apply 2 to 3 drops to clean toned skin, and you can use it morning or at night. And then you finish it up with the Lapis Blue Tansy Facial Oil. So this oil has something called As You Lean in it, which is known to soothe dry or irritated skin, reduce the appearance of redness, and leave the skin feeling more balanced. So apply 4 to 6 drops to cleansed and toned skin. You can use it at the morning or night. Just make sure to avoid the eye area. So gently massage it into your skin for 1 to 3 minutes before you apply your makeup for the day. So if you're looking for natural but effective skincare products, this bundle is for you. You guys, this is an incredible value. This bundle is worth over $200, all for the price of 34 bucks. You get all of this. I am mind blown. So make sure to subscribe at AIABeautyBundle.com. Bye.